Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my 200th video. And I just wanted to do something special for y'all. This video is going to be a collage of a lot of my past videos, all strung into one stream of craziness. I hope y'all enjoy it. After this, stay tuned because my next upload is going to be the brand new Apocalypse Deadline. My brand new show that's going to talk about all things Christian, Bible prophecy, all things that I could think about. I can't wait for y'all to check it out. I did a lot of hard work on it. So now, without further ado, let's get these collages. Let's go. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Rate, comment, subscribe. I love y'all. Thanks for watching my video.